Oh, that's loud. Okay, that's it. Okay, can this bitch stop? No, seriously. Okay, my new account. Poo! I love the username now. Okay, my password is find me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hack me, bitch. Oh, that stupid TV. Or I'll shoot. Oh, bitch, leave. Leave your man and be happy with nobody else. Those people who have this, I feel so sorry. I think I did myself. But no, I didn't. Can you find 5 Easter eggs? I found 1. I found 2. I found 3. Now just stupid 2 more. Oh. Click here to confirm your email address. Oh wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hey, that 4 eggs, and now just 1. I'm gonna find never. You know, maybe here. It ain't here, bitch. Show me. Okay, yeah, now I really need to shut up. I sound like a baby as an idiot. I can still do this. So I want to reach level 5 today, so I can still reach level 6 on this account. This is also a just new user. Look, level 2. Now be pretty. Lily girl. She fat. Now I look like a bumblebee. Yay! I feel so ugly. Classic. No, I really like the new stuff, you know. Because I am a cheater, I have this account. And if you think I cheat. Won't let go because I don't love you so. You didn't have to see the beach or the high stuff. Hi bitches. Okay, I really need to stop swearing. Almost not. I'm just 5. Seriously, yeah, I'm 5. No, I am 15. I'm so not cool. Oh, star coin. Okay, she must be rich. Come on, look at that. Look at that. Hey, I already want key star coins. I'm gonna buy nothing more. Okay, just gorgeous. She is new. We can all know. Since the new update. I'm single. Let's greet the single people because I'm also. And now let's cheat. Boom. This is so fun to cheat. Are you kidding me? You're not taking that arrow? Well, then fuck you. Okay, this is a new person, isn't it? New. I'm gonna sit in the Mama, Papa, Daddy, okay. What me? Oh! Okay, now let's wait till somebody is super nice and friends me. shut the fuck up and a piece of blay. Okay. Okay, really, I suck at this. I have 5 more minutes and then I need to stop. This is a sucker. Oh well, I'm rich anyways. Let's waste it on star coins, I guess. No, I don't need you. Wait, I have an idea. Oh, seriously? Oh, wow. Who cares? Oh, I know. I don't know. Oh? Hey, I remained 2 seconds from that. 50 seconds. Okay. What the hell are they saying? Oh well. No, I get where it's going. Okay, I hate me. I'm sorry, 12 minutes, bitch. Okay, now I need to find another key animation. In those 3 minutes. Oh my god. How hard can this be? No, I need to shut up. Okay, this could be so hard, and that's just an amazing animation, but it's too much. Then I will also be broke like my other hacker. This won't make me broke. Wait, it will. Oh no, I'm not taking that. Nah, I don't like it. I also don't like it. Are you serious? Okay, I really need to do something fast. Help me, buddy. Nah, it's gross. Sorry. I don't really like my... If you don't like my animation style, go and subscribe. Hug yourself. Well, I like this animation, but it will make me broke anyways. Wait. No. Crazy. Guess who's that, baby? Like that. What if I pick this? I will be looking like an order. Well, what if I do this? This will also help. Now I'm an order. No. I'm just gonna do that. Because then I look like an order. That's not my problem, okay? Then it just says this is my new backup account. And that's how smart people work. Oh my god, I love this animation, but I can't. And I only have some minutes left, so let's go. Oh no, no. I'm not even broke. I am so stupid. Well, I guess I have time. Bye guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you so much.